What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today I have an unboxing of the Involved 3-in-1 fast wireless charging stand for your Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. Let's take a look at what we have. Get that out of the way. Okay. Okay, so it looks like we have a 3-in-1 charging dock and a USB-C to USB-C cable. Let's go ahead and plug this thing in and see how it works. Okay, not sure if you can see, but this has RGB lighting that comes on once you plug in the base. Let's see what we have here. So we have a pair of Galaxy Bud 2s. Go ahead and pop that on and see. And sure enough, we have a green light on there. Go ahead and Galaxy Watch 5 Pro, throw that on there. And so far so good. And then we have the S23 Ultra. Let's throw that on there. And everything seems to be charging just fine. See if I can get that in frame for everyone. Really cool. It looks like there's the RGB lighting that comes on once devices are charging to let you know that they're charging. And yeah, looks good. No charging issues through the S23 Ultra case. And everything is charging at once. Let's go ahead and take these Galaxy Buds off, and I've got a pair of the Pixel Buds Pro. Let's see if those are compatible. And yeah, there is a light there coming on. Kind of hard to see. Let's see if I can focus in a little bit more. A little orange light on there. Yeah, looks like a pretty good unit. Picked this up again from Involved Chargers. This unit goes for $69.95 on sale. If you're enjoying this video, please smash that like button, subscribe to the channel so you will be alerted when new videos are uploaded, and click that bell icon. Thanks for watching.